In this video, we cover the essential of a life insurance quote and the best practices for getting a life insurance quotes. A life insurance quote is an estimate of the cost you would pay for a life insurance policy based on various factors, including your age, health, coverage needs, and the type of policy you're interested in. When you request a life insurance quote, an insurance company or agent will provide you with an approximate premium amount that you would need to pay in exchange for the coverage outlined in the quote. Here are the key components that are considered when generating a life insurance quote. 1. Personal information. You'll typically need to provide details about yourself, including your age, gender, health history, and lifestyle habits, such as smoking or non-smoking. 2. Coverage type. There are various types of life insurance policies, including term life insurance and permanent life insurance, such as whole life or universal life. You'll need to specify which type of coverage you're interested in. 3. Coverage amount. You'll need to determine the amount of coverage, the death benefit, you want the policy to provide to your beneficiaries. 4. Term length. For term life insurance, you'll specify the length of the term, e.g., 10, 20, or 30 years, for which you want coverage. 5. Riders and additional benefits. You can choose to add riders or additional benefits to your policy, such as critical illness coverage or disability income riders. These can impact the cost of your insurance. 6. Underwriting. The insurance company will assess your health and lifestyle to determine the level of risk you present. This assessment may include a medical examination, a review of your medical records, and questions about your health habits. 7. Premium payment frequency. You'll need to decide how often you want to pay your premiums, for example, monthly or annually. Once you provide all this information, the insurance company or agent will use it to calculate a premium amount. Keep in mind that the actual premium you receive in a formal insurance policy may differ from the initial quote, as it is based on more detailed underwriting and medical assessments. What are some of the best practices for getting life insurance quotes? Obtaining life insurance quotes is an essential step in finding the right coverage for your needs. Here are some best practices to follow when getting life insurance quotes. 1. Determine your coverage needs. Calculate how much life insurance coverage you need by considering factors such as your financial obligations, debts, future expenses, and the financial support your dependents would require in your absence. 2. Understand the types of life insurance. Familiarize yourself with the different types of life insurance, including term life insurance and permanent life insurance, such as whole life or universal life. Choose the type that aligns with your goals. 3. Set a budget. Determine how much you can comfortably afford to pay in premiums. Your budget will help you decide on the coverage amount and type of policy that suits your financial situation. 4. Compare multiple quotes. Obtain quotes from several insurance companies to compare pricing and coverage options. Consider using online quote comparison tools or working with an independent insurance agent who can provide quotes from multiple insurers. 5. Be honest and accurate. When providing information for your quote request, be truthful and accurate. Inaccurate information can lead to discrepancies between the initial quote and the final premium during the underwriting process. 6. Consider different term lengths. If you're considering term life insurance, explore various term lengths, e.g., 10, 15, 20, 25, or 30 years, to see which aligns best with your needs. 7. Evaluate riders and additional benefits. Understand the optional riders and additional benefits offered by insurers, such as critical illness or disability riders. Decide whether any of these options are suitable for you. 8. Check for discounts. Inquire about any discounts that may be available, such as multi-policy discounts or discounts for non-smokers and healthy individuals. 9. Compare online and offline quotes. While online quotes are convenient, consider reaching out to insurers directly or working with an agent to explore all available options. 10. Review policy features. Look beyond the premium cost. Compare policy features, terms, and conditions, as well as the insurer's reputation and financial strength ratings. 11. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask questions about anything you don't understand or want clarification on. Insurance agents and representatives should be willing to provide information and assistance. 12. Read policy documents. Carefully review the policy documents, terms, and conditions before making a decision. Ensure you understand the coverage, exclusions, and any limitations. 13. Revisit your coverage periodically, as your life circumstances change, such as getting married, having children, or paying off debts. Revisit your life insurance coverage to make adjustments as needed. By following these best practices, you can make an informed decision when obtaining life insurance quotes and select a policy that provides the coverage you need at a price you can afford.